Oh, I saw your question in the email. Uh, it's from chapter 14, section 4. It's number 9. I call this a work problem. You want to find a number of hours. Lisa is an experienced shipping clerk, can fill a certain order in 8 hours. Philip, a new clerk, it takes them 11 hours to do the same job. If they work together, how long would it take them to fill the order? So TT as the time together, that's what we're looking for, and I call that X. TA is time alone. One person takes 8 hours, the other person takes 11 hours. And this is the formula I like to use. The time together divided by time alone. This is what portion one individual do of the job. This is the proportion of the other person will do, and together they'll complete this one job. So X is time together over 8 hours. That's the proportion of the work Lisa will do, and then X over 11 hours. That's the proportion Felipe will do. Together they'll complete the one task. So come up with a rational equation may be the hardest part, like this formula here. Next you need to determine the greatest common denominator. You got an 8 and an 11 here. Just they have no factors in common, so their product is 88. That's the the least common denominator for this. Okay, then you want to multiply this equation by the least common denominator. So you want to multiply each term by 88. Then you want to simplify this. I don't know if I want to work the whole thing for you, but you put this over 1, and the 8 will go in there 11 times. Put that over 1, 11 will go in there 8 times. And so what are we left with? We have 11x plus 8x equal 88. So that's 19x equal 88. Divide each side by 19. We have the final answer. 88 over 19. So it says type a integer simplified fraction. So I guess that would be a simplified fraction. Hope this helps.